Alright, welcome to another video. Today we're going to make a stop sign. So let's go ahead and bring in a cube and then we'll size it. Size it again. Size it on the Z-axis. Doesn't need to be that tall. Well, yeah, let's make it a little bit taller. Alright. So now we need to go into here. Grab both of these. Extrude, grab, X. And then extrude, no. Oh my. Why is it doing it on that side? Jesus. There we go. Nope. Okay, let's rewind. No. Alright. I'll extrude a little bit, and then we'll extrude a little bit more. There we go. Now we can bring these forward more. Ah, no. Not what I wanted. Alright. Bring these. And of course. What? What's going on here? Okay. Good to go. And much better. There we go. All right. So now we need holes. So there's holes right here, and there's holes also on this side. So we need to. Nope. Make a cylinder. Uh-oh. There we go. Grab it over here. Right there. And then we can duplicate, grab Z. Duplicate, grab Z. Okay, grab Z. All right, so now we can grab all of these. Well, I'll just press A and then take those off. Ah, you suck. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now we need the bowling. Apply. Nice. So we can delete those. All right. Now we need a stop sign. Or a. Oh my goodness. A. What is it called? Uh. The sign part. I can't remember what exactly it's called, but we need the sign part. Okay. So we need to size this, bring it forward, bring it up, size it on that axis with Shift X. Maybe a little bit smaller. Yeah, we could probably go. There we go. Okay. So now we need to tab and select all four corners. And then we need to bevel all four corners. About right there. That's good. Okay. And then we can either do a flat stop or we can do a kind of uh can't remember what it's called. A oh my goodness, I got some in my eye. Uh a text that's coming out. Good God. Okay, we'll just do the text that's coming out. So need to oh first go out of tab. Okay, then add a text, rotate it on the X, rotate it on the Z, grab Z, grab it on the X, good to go, tab, stop. All right. And then grab and pull it this way. Size. All right. Now let's make sure this is actually touching. I think that's touching now. Yeah, that should be good. Okay. So now we need uh, some screws. So let's go ahead and rotate. Bring that down. Doesn't have to be precise, but eh. Oof. Okay. No. There we go. All right. That's a little bit better. All right. Now we need to. There we go. And then, or take it out a little bit. Wait. And that's good. So now if we grab it. Oh, what the heck. No one's gonna notice. Okay. So duplicate, grab Y. All right. Now we just need to color it. Well, actually, no, we need to go in here. There we go. this needs to be red. And then that needs to be white. There we go. And if you don't convert this to a mesh, it's not going to show up, basically. So, need to convert this to a mesh. And then you can just join the two. All right, so this needs to be green. I mean, you can make it whatever color you want, but most of the time, these are green. And then your bolts can be whatever color you want, but I'm gonna make them gray. And there's your stop sign. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.